What is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And guys, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu, the overall cryptocurrency market, and things are looking a lot more bullish than they were just only 48 hours ago. But remember, I always like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, but rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. So we're going to dive right into the news. First and foremost, crypto market is starting to look a lot better. Bitcoin up 10% on the day, so is Ethereum. We have BNB making a climb as well. Pretty much all the top crypto assets that are non-stable tokens are up, which is amazing. Shiba Inu up 7.63% on the day, and things are looking a lot better after what seemed like a pretty significant falling knife or flash crash. But now we're starting to slowly recover, and there are some reasons for that, and we're going to discuss that today. And we're going to also look at what the whales have been doing with Shiba Inu. But before I do so, guys, I want to mention there's a link in the description below for I Trust Capital. Take advantage of these times where you can get a $100 funding reward for literally clicking the link in the description, signing up with your email, and that's pretty much it. In addition, when you fund your account, you'll get a free $100 reward. Take advantage of these times when free money opportunities present themselves. Do not pass up on them. First, CoinDesk. I really liked this article here. It says First Mover Americas. Bitcoin eyes US data, Doge chart signal, seller fatigue. So if we scroll down before we jump into the whale data, you can see here that they talk about market moves. Bitcoin recovers as West sanctions on Russia were softer than feared, which is always a positive or a good thing, right? And in addition, Bitcoin's technical charts signal sellers fatigue. People are tired of selling Bitcoin. And it seems like, again, the bulls are outpacing the bears. And therefore, we're seeing this price action movement from the negative trajectory now to somewhat of a positive one. All we need is to just clear the FUD, right? Hopefully see things calm down between the Russian and Ukraine border. If you're not paying attention to the news, you should be, because it's affecting the markets pretty significantly. But now, let's talk about Shiba Inu, because the Shib Army is who are probably here watching this video, and that is Shiba Inu returns to the top 10 of the most purchased tokens by whales. Remember, whales are the ones who we like, except during a bleeding market oftentimes, or when they start to sell. That, of course, could be a scary thing. But as of right now, things are looking pretty good for Shib. Shiba Inu's currency, meme currency has once again entered the top most purchased assets on the market according to whale stats. While the purchased amounts remain insignificant, the strong buying power has already hit the crypto market as the majority of assets are rebounding. The total US value of Shiba Inu holdings on the market are currently at $1.3 billion while remaining close to $1.2 billion yesterday. So again, an entire $100 million coming in. The total value of assets held by whales correlates with about 13.5% of the price increase of Shib's token. So you guys can see this little chart here for the metrics chart, and it talks about the average Shib balance. So 2.579 billion. Remember, this is whale statistics with an average Shib value, the percentage of the total supply. So you can see whales do have a significant amount of the total float for Shiba Inu. As the metric reports, the average quantity of Shib bought by whales stays at approximately 80 million tokens. In addition to the appearance of buying power among whales, Shiba Inu is experiencing a 207% volume increase among the whale community. I'll call them a community, although they're just individuals like you and I, with a lot more buying power, of course. But while large Ethereum wallets are in fact moving their funds towards the meme token, the trading volume for retail investors seems to decrease as the panic of the market dissolves and more traders stay away from active speculation, which is also a true fact. And I've said it time and time again on the channel. When there's a lot of fear in the market, the tokens that tend to get hit the hardest are the more speculative assets, and you work your way backwards. Most speculative hit the hardest, and the least speculative, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, usually are hit the lowest, or softest, I should say. As the market performance of the token, Shiba Inu is still trading in the active long-term downtrend and local range bound. The asset has quickly bounced from the local bottom of 20,910 Satoshi units and now trades close to strong consolidation port of the 200-day moving average. You guys know I love to trade or buy assets amongst the moving averages because, again, that is what could be considered a decent entry point. The majority of altcoins on the market today show positive price performance. As such, tokens as Luna, which gained 25%, Solana, up 10%, of course, and Ethereum reclaims yesterday's losses with a 10% movement. Literally, all the losses that we saw have just come right back into the market. The unfortunate truth about the fact that we're seeing the positive price action is traders lost money and new traders have gained money. And I said it time and time again, this is how the market cycle works. There's always going to be losers and there's always going to be winners. That's just how the active trading platform of crypto, the crypto world, works. So those of you who sell during panic, unfortunately, I like the philosophy, and you probably didn't listen to the philosophy of Mr. Warren Buffett. And he always says, when the market is fearful, that is the time to get greedy. And when the market is greedy, that is the time for us to start getting fearful and potentially establish positions in tokens that are oversold. So again, right now, the market is still showing a lot of fear. The Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is at 27 of 100, meaning more fear on Bitcoin than greed. So what does that mean? Potential entry points, potential buying opportunities. Make your own decisions in the crypto space, of course. Always, always, always. Don't let anybody dictate what you do in terms of buying, selling, or holding, including myself, but rather educate yourself across platforms, read white papers, and as always, I appreciate you guys' support. Smash the like button if you haven't already. Consider subscribing to the channel. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.